Okay, I just want to show you the last thing under the pull down. It's called Crap Systems. So you can help launch the systems, and this page will come up, or this screen will come up. And it is a separate application from the main craps table. Here you could run 4 systems and see how well you can do against the dice, and how well your bankroll will handle a system. And this is all played out on a field bet. So, for example, if you took a bankroll of 200, bet size, make it $10. Single dice roll, no time delay between each roll, and you're going to do, let's say, the first system. So essentially, you'll bet 1 unit, and if you win, you'll bet 3. If you win, you'll bet 2. If you bet, you'll win 6. Okay, and you can force the dice to see how that bankroll would increase if you were to hit, those 4 field bets in a row. Okay, so let's make your first bet. I'm sorry, let's pick the system. Your first bet, and you got $10 on the field bet. Then you roll the dice. Notice a 4 is hit. You won the first bet. So now the next time you would bet 30 units on the table. And you hit the dice. You won again. And then you'd bet 2 units. So that's how you can see how these systems work. Much like the main crap table, you can do like 50 dice rolls at one shot. You could also force the dice to, again, watch how your bankroll would increase depending upon what dice are rolled. Okay? I just wanted to show you that.